How's it going, guys? This is your boy Sue. So in this short tutorial, it's just how to install a metallic round diffuser or a whisper grill. So pretty much this application comes with two pieces, so it's slightly different from the plastic ones that you can just insert. So as you can see, this one here comes with this base. Pretty much you make sure it's a sure fit. Sometimes the hole might not work because after everything is roughed in, the drywall goes on. Sometimes it gets squished in, so you can use a drywall saw or like a knife with a sharp blade. Screw wise, you can put a minimum of 2 screws to hold it. You can go from 3 to 4, it depends on how much you're comfortable with, but I always just go with 2. And then you actually put the diffuser on, or whisper grill. You give it a quarter turn. Sometimes you might have to fiddle around with it, but that's pretty much. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.